The river running even higher upstream in Liberty County along the east fork of the San Jacinto River.
This is brand new video from Air 11 near Cleveland, where they're already seeing flooding and expecting the water to get even higher tonight. Matt Doherty is live near Cleveland for us this evening. Matt, you just got there a few minutes ago. What do you see?
Okay, so we're standing right outside the gates of a flooded RV park. If you take a look over there, that's Highway 59. We are on the southbound side. And if you push in just a little bit further, you can see some of those work crews over there. They're actively blocking off the access to the roadway underneath the bridge. Now, if you turn this way, you can see what this RV park looks like right now, and you can tell it is completely flooded. It looks almost like a lake. Right as you get closer to the gate over here, I'd say it's about 6 inches deep. You can see some people trying to get their RV out of the water right there, and then you see some of those folks with their stuff in their hands. It looks like it could be up to a foot high with some of the people walking through that right now. I want you to take a look at some of this video that we caught earlier. This was sent in to us from some viewers a little bit south of where we are right now. You can see them trying to drive through some of that high water, getting to their homes. We do know that some of the roadways over there have been blocked off. Again, if you do not have to be in the area, if you don't have to be driving along these roads, recommend that you don't, just because it is dangerous. And as the night goes on, as we've been told, there will be more roadways closing as this water from the San Jacinto River continues to rise. Mia?
Yeah, so deceiving.